This is my paintings, Frida Kahlo, collage of the picture, and then I paint with acrylic on it. When I started my jewelry gallery, I was doing mainly painting because painting is my passion. And Frida Kahlo is a Mexican artist who is very famous. She died when she was only 48 years old, and she was an amazing artist. I don't say all the story behind it. You can simply Google her name and read more about her life and her amazing journey. But now I want to show you some of the jewelry that I got in Mexico with the inspiration of Frida Kahlo face. Frida Kahlo lovers, this is a necklace with her famous face, and I have two rings which I'm going to show you. This one, you see, very nice. I love it. I have two pieces. One is for me and one I have it for someone who wants to buy it. But you can see how it looks and the finger. I love it, love it, love it. And I have this one, which is very special. This is actually one of Frida Kahlo painting. You can see it's inside the picture, and then we have the ring. This is a small size for someone who has a small finger. So if you are a Frida lover, I have a good news for you. I have a postcard of my own paintings. They are available on my website. And this is one of my drawings. You can check also my other YouTube channel, which I am showing you how I draw portraits. That was all for today, and I will be back soon. So much love is always here. Love you.